और प्रणाम एवरीवन। आज मेरे द्वारा स्टोरी दिया गया था हिंदी में, लॉन्ग स्टोरी था, ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग के दौरान। और उसको इंग्लिश में नरेट करना था, ठीक है। अब ट्रेनिंग का अधिकांश क्लासेस समाप्त हो चुका है और छात्रा इधर बैठी हुई हैं सब लोग, ठीक है। उनसे अब उसको इंग्लिश, हिंदी से वो इंग्लिश में नरेट करेंगे। चलिए आइए देखते हैं किस तरह से नरेट करती है, फ्लुएंसी कितना, स्ट्रक्चर कितना सही जाता है, ठीक है। चलिए, you should narrate a story. Carry on.
Now I'm going to narrate a story. Once upon a time, there was a great multimillionaire person who lives in Penguins Colony at Hazipur. He's posted in PNB. He's a good employee in PNB, and he is a whose name is Mr. John. He has a son whose name is Tom. Tom is getting on for 6 years old. Not only this, he has a immense beautiful wife. One day he go to bank tour. After 10 days he came back and his society said to him, Mr. John, your wife is departed from this world and sees no more. Mr. John hardly shocked and fall in contemplative mood, and he said to him, you tell a lie. Before 10 days I went to bank tour. My wife is well. After 10 days I came back. You said to me, my wife is departed from this world and sees no more. So I can't rely on them because you are a liar. All the peoples of his locality said to him, Mr. John, you should go to your home. And so Mr. John went to his home, and he saw really his wife is departed from this world, and she was laying on the floor inside in the corner. His son was weeping bitterly. He begins to think, who will nourish my offspring? And he think, I went to my Keith and Keen, any Keith and Keen to adopt my son, because after 5 days he went to his Keith and Keen. No one adopted Tom. And once Keith and Keen advised Mr. John, you are getting on for 26. That's why you got second married. After a great deal of thinking, Mr. John got second married. But his second wife is debauchee lady. She didn't bring up the Tom, and she always busy in kitty parties. Once again, Mr. John went on bank tour. After 10 days, he came back, and his society said to him, Mr. John, your wife is so debauchee lady. Mr. John hardly shocked and slapped them. The people of his locality said to him, Mr. John, you should go to Paswan Chowk in Anamika Hotel, and saw him. Mr. John went to Paswan Chowk in Anamika Hotel, and he saw really his wife is copulating with another person. That's why Mr. John divorced him. After 5 days, Mr. John decide to meet Mr. A, whose for teach Tom. After 2 days, Mr. John meet to Mr. A, whose name is home tutor, whose name is Mr. A. Mr. A went to Mr. John's house, and he knocked the door. Tom didn't open the door, and he asked, who is it? Mr. A said to him, your father has appointed me. I am your home tutor. Tom very upset, and he used a hard word and abused him, and he didn't open the door. Mr. A said to him, that student has not decorum discipline. That's why I can't teach him. After 2 days, Mr. John appointed Mr. B for teach Tom. Next day, in the evening, Mr. B went to Mr. John's house, and he knocked the door. Tom didn't open the door, and he said to him, who is it? Mr. B said, your father has appointed me. I am your home tutor. Tom abused him and use a hard word. Mr. B said to him, that student has not decorum discipline. That's why I can't teach him. After 5 days, one day Mr. C walked in his locality, and Mr. John.
Put your hand together for Prachi. बहुत अच्छा, एक्सलेंट।